Okay, we just saw it moments ago, right off in this distance, a teal vehicle, right? Being put on the Rex towing, right? The McHenry police are still here by a CH Open. So something with the riches being towed towards Crystal Lake. Okay, there you're seeing it now. It looks like some kind of dice, right? Some kind of dice from maybe Potawatomi Casino has landed in McHenry. Look at this strange helix structure, right? It's a type of equation that's being yielded within that cube. So, you know, look at it. We see checker marks, we see all kinds of things in here. It's like some kind of ghostly hand has lifted these books out from the McHenry Library into what appears to be the structure of an Aztec Mayan temple, right? We see the words ceramic stone. We see a gap in there. There we see it now, a shadow cast of some entity that must be saying something to us. I think it's Rodrigo. He's got some kind of delivery to be made.